Hi everyone. Today I'm going to see how well aware is my husband with, nowadays Gen Z slangs, which we millennial find it a little difficult to decode, right? So I'm just going to see how good is my husband with decoding these slangs, which Gen Zs use these days. All right. So I'll start with the easy ones, the most commonly used ones, which we have heard somewhere or the other. But I still want to see is my husband aware of all that or not? Okay. Okay. Have you heard of Delulu?
Delilu? Confusion?
It's basically being delusional.
Delusional को delusion क्यों बोला? Delusional was good. ये क्या है?
Okay. Touch grass. Have you heard of that phrase? Touch grass.
Touchwood तो सुना है. Touch glass?
Touch grass. Try guessing. What could it be?
It's a slang, right?
Yeah. What would it mean?
Touch glass.
Go touch grass. If someone says that, what does that mean?
See?
Huh?
वही
क्या?
पगला टाइप बंदा जो रहता है.
नहीं. Touch grass is basically when you say someone go outside, something like that. Oh, yeah.
अच्छा मीटिंग में मैं बैठा हूँ और कुछ
No,
बकवास
something
कर
like
रहा हूँ. Touch
as
glass.
like if you're obsessing over something, go touch grass, something like that. Okay, have you heard of Loki?
हाँ लोकी को सुना है मैंने.
हाँ, क्या होता है? What is?
लोकी is a thief. एवेंजर में थॉर का भाई लोकी.
No, Loki और Loki.
लॉकी नहीं, लोकी है वो.
वो सब नहीं है.
हाँ,
The word
लोकी
Loki.
लोकी मतलब कम दिमाग वाला.
नहीं, it's like slightly. It means slightly.
हाँ कम.
Yeah, something like I'm
Low-key.
low-key excited for a wedding that I'm going to attend.
Excited.
Not slightly,
Means you don't want to go. I'm not excited. I'm not
Slightly.
feeling motivated या ये सब
नहीं,
वगैरह.
slightly है, like I am.
मतलब
A
है भी
little
और
bit,
नहीं
little
भी
bit,
है.
yeah, slightly.
मतलब
Are you finding it fun?
हाँ लग रहा है कितना पुराना हूँ मैं.
We are. Okay. Have you heard of a red flag?
हाँ रेड फ्लैग ग्रीन फ्लैग तो सुना है
Yeah,
मैंने.
very common, right?
बिग बॉस में सुना था मैंने.
उससे पहले नहीं सुना था.
नहीं गौरव रेड फ्लैग और उसको वो क्या क्या जो
Red
था.
flag is basically harmful.
Harmful.
मतलब not very good.
हाँ,
ठीक है. What have you heard of a beige flag?
नहीं बेज फ्लैग क्या होता है. रेड फ्लैग तो मतलब नॉट गुड. ग्रीन
Can you guess what does beige flag means?
बिचौलिया.
बिचौलिया.
बीच वाला. हाँ दोगला.
ना दोगला.
कहीं भी जा
Basically, beige flag मतलब slightly boring that kind. मतलब not in
अच्छा.
harmful way, but मतलब इतना कुछ exciting भी नहीं. Not green flag or
अच्छा,
not red
मतलब
flag,
time
beige
pass.
flag. अगर तुम हर दिन suppose तुम ऑफिस पहले पहुंच जाते हो, ठीक है? So is that a red flag or a
रेड फ्लैग है मेरे लिए तो क्यों पहुंच रहा है भाई पहले.
तुम्हारे लिए ना?
नहीं
So
सबके
it's a
लिए.
good thing, but
नहीं,
it's a
नहीं,
beige flag. It's
बिल्कुल
boring, right? It's,
नहीं
it's somewhat.
ये तो बिल्कुल गलत है. क्यों आप ऑफिस पहले पहुंच रहे हो. लेट पहुंचो पहले मत पहुंचो.
Okay. NPC energy. Have you heard of NPC energy?
ये कौन सी एनर्जी होती है. नहीं मालूम मुझे.
चलो guess कर लो.
नॉन पोल्यूटिंग कमोडिटीज एनर्जी ऐसा होता है क्या. एनपीसी एनर्जी.
More like uninterested, energy,
Uninterested
like
energy. काला सा.
robotic,
Oh, robotic.
something like that. Like suppose we are having a conversation, and somehow I zone out and I'm just, smiling and nodding my head. Right, that is NPC energy. Or more like in a meeting, if you're there and you're saying okay noted without even listening what they're talking about. That's NPC energy. Have you heard of lore?
क्या.
Lore.
लोड.
Lore.
लोड.
I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I have no idea.
सीरियसली नहीं.
Never heard?
नहीं मैंने तो
Okay.
नहीं लिया.
It's basically backstory or
अच्छा.
context to something, like
अच्छा.
कि मतलब बिना do
Recap.
not know my office lore to talk about.
मतलब रिकैप.
हाँ मतलब आपको पता नहीं है history
अच्छा.
lore. Okay.
अच्छा.
Have you heard of clock it?
हाँ क्लॉक इट तो सुना है मैंने.
जैसे कि
Use it.
हाँ Not clock it, that clock it. We're not talking about clocking the time in office.
तो
It's basically, noticing something.
अच्छा क्लॉक है ठीक
I
है
clocked this
Click it.
fake smile in the meeting, something like that. I noticed.
ओके
Next is send me.
सेंड मी सेंड मी क्या
Imagine.
सेंड मी का क्या मीनिंग होगा सेंड मी होता है
भेज दो मुझे.
भेज दो मुझे कहाँ
Acha, I'll use it in sentence, then maybe office gossip really sends me.
जहाँ
Really
gossip-
sent me, something like that.
really sent me मतलब
अगर कोई तुमसे बोले कि कि you really sent me, what does that mean?
you took the office gossip to her or him
Right now I can say your reaction really sent me.
okay sent me मतलब डाउन कर देना
नहीं,
हाँ
basically it means that it is so funny
oh
that I'm finding it really funny.
honestly मुझे तो बिल्कुल आइडिया ही नहीं था
Imagine someone is kind of enjoying it, the conversation, and it's saying that, and you're like, what does he mean by that, right? And how do we react to that? I know, right? Since nowadays, everyone, like, around you, like maybe your niece, nephew, even in your office, they have started joining, right, Gen Zs, and they start talking like this in codes. I think it's going to be very difficult for us to decode them, right?
नहीं तो बहुत ही difficult है
Yeah. Imagine your
मतलब
teammate starts
मुझे-
talking like that.
nobody uses
They do. Maybe you're not in touch with them, but they do.
no, my team is totally not involved with any of the freshers
Out of pocket. Have you heard the
हाँ
phrase?
out of कंगाल हूँ मैं
Inappropriate. Like that joke you
भिखमंगा है
passed
क्या?
was completely out of pocket, something like that.
भिखमंगा टाइप जोक था ये
Nahi, inappropriate. Like,
inappropriate अच्छा
yeah, not big manga.
मतलब okay
The comment in the meeting was out of pocket, something like that. So, what do you have to tell about all
नहीं
this?
मुझे एक चीज पूछना था ये जो स्लैंग्स थे ये इंडियन जेंजी
Oh,
स्लैंग्स है
yes.
इंटरनेशनल
International, it's everywhere nowadays.
Okay.
Have you heard it's giving?
इट्स गिविंग
Uh,
इंग्लिश में तो इफ आई से लिटरल मीनिंग था इट्स गिविंग मींस इट्स गिविंग बट नाउडेज व्हाट इट मींस आई डोंट नो
It's giving as in it's giving wide, like, like
Oh,
that.
मतलब
Oh,
it's,
it's giving.
इट्स क्या बोलते हैं
If- No. Suppose you're dressed up and you're like, oh, it's giving, like that.
अच्छा, vibe.
Oh, yeah. It's giving. So,
Yeah.
did you have fun?
बहुत बेकार था मेरा
You are like, you didn't even get 1 marks, right?
लगता है बहुत पीछे हो रिमोट ने और पीछे कर रखा है
Maybe you need to start, to not to just to, feel young or something, but just to be aware. Supposing
What do you mean by feel young?
Yeah.
I'm young only.
No.
यहाँ पे 55 साल का बॉबी देओल अपने आप को यंग लॉर्ड बॉबी मान रहा है और मैं
No, not like that. What I meant is, keep feeling young. Like, if we start talking like Gen Zs, that is not for just feeling young. It's basically, you should know all this to be aware. So that when you end up in a conversation with them, it shouldn't be like, you don't know how to react to what they're talking about.
अच्छा
Yeah.
हाँ ये तो है
Okay. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you found this interesting.